graph you're looking at here is a line segment that is asked, first of all, is it a function or not? When it's a function or not, if it is a function and it's drawn for you and you draw a vertical line through it anywhere in the graph, if that vertical line will only cross it one time, then yes, it is a function. So hopefully you'll have that written down first. Next, they ask the question, what is the domain of this graph? The domain is all the possible x values that are used to make this graph. So any number off this blue line or this x-axis are going to be used to describe how far left this graph goes and how far right the graph goes. You'll notice it goes as far left as -7, and it goes as far right as +8. Now, these are x values that are then larger than -7, so that means I'm going to use a less than symbol there. And since I'm including this dot as a black dot, I'm going to go up to 8 and actually equal to 8. Notice the difference between both these inequalities. An open circle means it's not included, so not equal to. A solid dot means it's included and it has an equal to. Intervals. Intervals show that same kind of relationship using parentheses and brackets. Parentheses show that the starting point is not included at -7, and the bracket that I'm going to show for 8 means that 8 is included, so we use a bracket to indicate that it's also part of the graph and equal to it. The starting and stopping points of the range are numbers off the y-axis. So this pink axis that you see right here, how low and how high does the graph go? You'll notice that this dot is not perfect. It's 1.5 below the x-axis. So it goes as low as -1.5, and it goes as high as 6. Now, since the 1.5 bottom here is an open dot, we're not going to equal it, and it's y values that are larger than -1.5. But since we're going to say y values that are less than 6, they're also included as equal to 6, and that's how this looks. And if we show it in the form of an interval notation, we'll say -1.5 with a parenthesis up to 6 and including 6 as part of that set of y values.